Did you know that 1 in 3 seniors say packing is the most stressful part of travel? It's not the flights, not the hotel check-ins, it's the suitcase. If you have ever stood in front of an open bag wondering if you are packing for a 2-week trip or a year-long expedition, this video is for you. I am about to share 7 game-changing packing tips that will change how you travel, plus the one mindset shift that changes everything. By the end of this video, you will pack like a confident traveler, not a worried tourist. Let's dive in. The one bag secret that changes everything. If you only remember one thing from this video, remember this. Less luggage equals more freedom. A single well-packed carry-on bag changes your entire trip. No lifting heavy suitcases. No waiting at baggage claim. No mobility struggles or getting tired from managing multiple bags. Overpacking is like bringing your entire closet on vacation, just in case you get invited to both a royal dinner and a beach volleyball game on the same day. Trust me, it probably will not happen. 4-wheel spinners are your best friend. Choose lightweight materials and wide handles. For 2025, airlines are making personal item rules stricter. That oversized tote from last year, it might not fly now. Look for under-seat bags no larger than 18 by 14 by 8 inches. One community member used just a carry-on for her 3-week Mediterranean cruise. She felt like a travel expert, not a struggling tourist. She saved over $200 in baggage fees and never had to worry about lost luggage. Here's another benefit most people miss. When you pack light, you can use hotel shuttles and public transport easier. Heavy bags make everything harder, from stairs to escalators to narrow airplane aisles. But here's what most packing advice gets completely wrong about clothes. The smart clothing strategy that actually works. Here's the secret most experienced travelers miss. You do not need more clothes. You need versatile clothes. If your wardrobe could fit in your carry-on, congratulations, you are a packing wizard. For the rest of us mere mortals, let's talk about the 3-2-1 rule. Remember the 3-2-1 rule. 3 tops, 2 bottoms, 1 outer layer. That creates up to 9 different outfit combinations when everything matches a simple color scheme. Choose wrinkle-resistant fabrics and breathable layers. A lightweight cardigan doubles as a plain blanket. Loose pants work as comfortable pajamas. Dark colors hide stains better than light colors. Here's a specific example. Pack 1 navy cardigan, 1 white button shirt, 1 casual top in navy or white. Add 2 pairs of pants in navy or black. Now you have outfits for casual days, nice dinners, and everything in between. The biggest trap? Packing for what-if situations. Packing for fear means carrying stress. Packing with intention means traveling smarter. Most hotels have laundry services or nearby laundromats. You can wash clothes instead of packing everything. What's your biggest packing worry? Drop it in the comments. I read every one and often feature the best advice in future videos. But clothes are not what keeps most seniors awake before a trip. It's something much more important. Medication and health essentials made simple. This is where I see the most dangerous mistakes. Packing medication is not just about remembering prescriptions. It's about keeping them accessible, legal, and safe anywhere you travel. Nothing ruins a vacation faster than realizing your heart medication is getting a nice tan in the lost luggage office while you are having chest pains at customs. Current TSA rules allow medication in pill form without original containers, but bring prescription copies for international trips. Keep everything in a labeled zip pouch in your carry-on. Never check luggage. If your checked bag gets lost, you still have your medications. Use a weekly pill organizer and pack 2 extra days for delays. Here's why this matters. Flight delays happen. Weather delays happen. Having extra medication means no panic, no emergency pharmacy visits, no ruined trips. Store digital backups of your medication list and emergency contacts on your phone. Also, keep printed copies in your travel wallet. Take photos of all medication bottles. If you lose pills, pharmacies can often help if they can see what you take. For international travel, research medication rules for your destination country. Some common medications are illegal in certain countries. Check embassy websites or call ahead to avoid problems at customs. One community member with multiple medications used this system on his Alaska cruise. TSA complimented his organization, and when luggage was delayed, he had everything needed. He said it gave him confidence for the entire trip. Pack a small first aid kit with band-aids, pain relievers, and any over-the-counter medications you use regularly. Include a thermometer and any medical devices you need. Keep everything together in one easy-to-find pouch. Now let me tell you about the footwear mistake that instantly marks you as a tourist. The 2-pair shoe rule that saves your back. Shoes are bulky, heavy, and usually overpacked. They also take up the most space in any suitcase. Trust me, Cinderella did not try walking 10 miles in glass slippers, and neither should you in brand new sneakers. Pack maximum 2 pairs, one comfortable walking pair with arch support, and one versatile pair that looks dressy but feels like slippers. Think travel flats or cushioned sandals. Pro tip, place shoes near your bag's wheels. This keeps everything balanced and prevents tipping when navigating curbs or shuttles. Wear the heaviest pair, pack the lighter one. Stuff socks and underwear inside shoes to save space. That tourist mistake? Brand new white sneakers, front-worn fanny packs, and logo-heavy clothes. Instead, choose broken-in shoes, small crossbody bags, and plain clothes. You'll blend in and feel confident. Break in new shoes at home, never on a trip. Blisters can ruin any vacation. Bring comfortable shoes you have worn many times before. Your feet will thank you after long days of walking and exploring. Speaking of confidence, there's something about toiletries that trips up even seasoned travelers. Toiletries and TSA rules that actually matter. Here's where experienced travelers lose time at security. The toiletry situation. Full-size shampoo bottles are just waiting for their moment to explode all over your carefully folded clothes. Do not give them the chance. Many default to full-size everything, but TSA enforces liquid limits strictly. That's 3.4 ounces per item in one clear quart bag. Going over this limit means delays, extra screening, and sometimes throwing away expensive products. Smart solutions, solid shampoo bars, toothpaste tablets, leak-proof travel bottles. Pre-pack a dedicated TSA pouch that stays in your suitcase. Buy travel sizes of everything, or transfer products to small containers. Bonus, lighter toiletries mean less shoulder strain lifting carry-ons. Your shoulders and back will feel better at the end of long travel days. Many hotels provide basic shampoo, conditioner, and soap. You might not need to pack these at all. Focus on special products you really need, like specific medications or skincare items. Now let's tackle what creates more confusion than it should. Technology. Technology that helps instead of hurts. You need tech essentials, not your entire home office. Too much technology creates more problems than it solves. Your smartphone is not just for games and grandkid photos. It's your travel Swiss Army knife. Smart setup. Smartphone with key apps like Google Translate and your airline app, e-reader or tablet for books, one multi-port charger for everything. Download offline maps before you travel in case internet is slow or expensive. The backup plan most forget. Print itineraries, hotel bookings, and boarding passes. When phones die or Wi-Fi disappears, you're covered. Keep physical copies in a separate bag from your electronics. One 71-year-old community member feared using her phone abroad. Following these steps, she navigated Prague like a local in video called Grandkids from Charles Bridge. She said technology became her friend instead of her enemy. Bring a portable battery pack for your phone. These are cheap and can charge your phone multiple times. Nothing is worse than a dead phone when you need directions or want to take photos. What's your biggest travel tech worry? Share below. Other viewers have probably solved the same problem and can offer helpful advice. But here are some small items that make a huge difference. Unexpected items that transform your trip. These do not take much space but add serious comfort to any journey. Compression socks improve circulation and look great. Because ankles do not like to vacation without a little support, wear them on flights to reduce swelling and feel more comfortable. Light neck wraps work as blankets, pillows, or back support. They are useful in so many situations. Foldable tote bags handle souvenirs and groceries. They pack flat but expand when you need extra storage. Mini flashlights help in unfamiliar hotel rooms or during power outages. Do not skip the doorstop alarm. $12, palm-sized, and provides hotel room peace of mind. The only thing standing between you and the guy who thinks he's in the wrong room. Do not ask how I know this works. Pack a small sewing kit for quick repairs. Bring safety pins for emergency fixes. A small packet of laundry detergent lets you wash clothes in hotel sinks when needed. These are not luxuries. They are smart solutions for smoother travel that make every trip more enjoyable. If these tips are changing how you think about packing, let me know in the comments. I read everyone and love hearing your success stories. Next up, the system that eliminates packing stress before it starts. Airport navigation made easy for seniors. Here's something most travel videos skip. How to move through airports confidently when you pack smart. If the airport feels bigger than your last cruise ship, you are not alone. Take that moving walkway. It's not cheating, it's smart. When you pack light, everything becomes easier. You can use curbside check-in to avoid long lines. You move through security faster with less stuff to scan. You do not struggle with heavy bags on moving walkways or escalators. Here's a senior-specific tip most people do not know. Most airports offer free wheelchair assistance if you need help getting to your gate. You do not have to be disabled to use this service. If you worry about walking long distances with luggage, just ask at check-in. Arrive at the airport 2 hours early for domestic flights, 3 hours for international. I know that seems like a lot, but it takes the stress away. You can grab coffee, use the restroom without rushing, and board your flight feeling relaxed instead of frazzled. Use airport restrooms near your gate, not just the main terminal ones. They are usually less crowded and easier to access with your luggage. Stay hydrated, but do not drink too much before long flights. Many airports have quiet areas or designated senior seating. Look for these spots if you need a peaceful place to wait for your flight. Airport staff are usually happy to help if you ask politely. The pre-packing system that saves your sanity. Want zero packing anxiety? Use a proven system that works every time. Download PackPoint or Trip List, or create your own simple checklist. 24 hours before travel, lay everything out by category: clothes, medications, documents, tech. Double-check essentials before packing. Pack 1 full day early, not the night before. Late-night packing creates missed medications and forgotten essentials. You deserve calm, confident travel, not last-minute panic. Create a master packing list on your phone or computer. Update it after each trip with things you forgot or did not need. Over time, you will have a perfect list that works for any destination. But wait, there's more strategy for different weather situations. Weather and climate smart packing. Even experienced travelers make expensive weather mistakes that cost money and comfort. Warm destinations, lightweight breathable fabrics, one sweater for air conditioning, sun hat, sunglasses, packable rain jacket. Choose natural fibers like cotton that breathe better than synthetic materials. Cool destinations. Layer system works best. Base layer, cardigan middle layer, waterproof outer layer, one warm hat, lightweight gloves. Skip heavy coats, rent if needed. Layers let you adjust to different temperatures throughout the day. Mixed weather, stick to layering. Pack easily removable pieces, one versatile rain and cool jacket. Choose clothes that work together in different combinations. Key insight: check weather 3 days before leaving, not 3 weeks. Weather changes, and you will drive yourself crazy preparing for every possibility that might never happen. Pack one outfit that works if weather predictions are completely wrong. This gives you confidence no matter what happens with the forecast. Now let's talk about how this saves serious money-saving strategies that add up. Smart packing saves real money on fixed incomes, and every dollar matters when you are retired. Pack light, save $50 to $70 each way on bag fees. That's $280 saved for couples on round trips. Plus, easier taxi and shuttle handling saves money on transportation upgrades. Wrinkle-resistant clothes save dry cleaning costs. Your own medications prevent expensive pharmacy emergencies abroad. Portable chargers avoid overpriced airport electronics. Money-saving secret: pack one nice outfit for multiple occasions. Simple dress or dress shirt with good pants handles dinner, religious services, or shows. You do not need separate outfits for everything. Traveling over 2 weeks? Budget $20 to $30 weekly for laundry? Still cheaper than checked bags and daily luggage struggles. Many hotels offer reasonable laundry services. Bring snacks for flights and long travel days. Airport food is expensive and often not very good. Pack granola bars, nuts, or other non-perishable favorites to save money and eat better. Consider packing a small cooler bag for day trips. You can buy groceries and pack lunches instead of eating out for every meal. This saves hundreds of dollars on longer trips. Your complete packing checklist. Screenshot this. Here's your complete carry-on list for any trip. Pause and screenshot this important information. 3 comfortable pants or skirts, 5 mix and match tops, 1 cardigan, 1 light jacket, 7 days underwear and socks, walking shoes plus 1 nicer pair, basic toiletries in TSA approved sizes, tech essentials we covered, medications plus copies, 1 comfort item that makes you smile, personal bag essentials, important documents, emergency medications, phone charger, flight snacks, 1 clothing change for delays. Remember, you can buy forgotten items at your destination. Missing something is not trip ending. It might start a fun shopping adventure and help you discover local stores. When things go wrong, your backup plan. Most videos will not tell you this. What happens when perfect packing meets real problems? Lost or delayed luggage? Stay calm. It happens to travel pros too, even those with years of experience. Action plan. Pack carry-on clothing and medication changes for 2 days minimum. Keep documents with you, never checked. Take photos of luggage before checking so you can describe it accurately. No bag arrival, report immediately at the airport. Get reference numbers and keep them safe. Keep all purchase receipts for necessary items. Airlines reimburse reasonable expenses and must deliver found bags to your hotel free. International travelers. Most travel insurance covers delayed luggage expenses. Save every receipt, even small items like toothbrushes and clean underwear. These costs add up and insurance will cover them. File claims as soon as possible. Do not wait until you get home. Airlines have time limits for claims, and earlier filing usually means faster resolution. The game-changing mindset shift. Here's that mindset change I promised at the beginning. Most people pack for problems that might happen. Confident travelers pack for amazing experiences that will happen. Pack like your trip will be incredible, because it will be. Focus on the positive experiences you will have, not the negative things that probably will not happen. You have survived raising kids and holiday family dinners. International airports? That's just Tuesday for you. Every community member using these strategies says the same thing. I wish I had known this years ago. Do not let another trip be stressful because of poor packing choices. Packing should not feel like a chore. It should feel like your adventure's first step. When you travel light and pack smart, you are not just reducing stress, you are gaining confidence that follows you through airports, hotels, and every journey moment. Share one packing tip that works for you in the comments. Your experience could help someone finally book their dream trip. I feature the best advice in future videos and love learning from our community. If this helped you feel more confident about your next trip, I would love to hear about it. And if you want more practical travel tips like these, you know what to do. Safe travels, wise Voyagers.